Hello there, welcome to our channel. So leaks and rumors about Xiaomi's upcoming tablet series have again surfaced online. A while back we made a video about these tablets, but since then some new information have appeared and some changes have occurred. Earlier, Xiaomi co-founder and CEO said that the company is designing a new Mi Pad tablet, but we didn't know how many or whether it will be a low-end or premium tablet. Later on, we came to know that there will be 3 high-end tablets with codename Nabu, Enuma and Elish. Further, the code of MIUI 12.5 system app suggests that Enuma will have the model number K81, while Elish will carry the model number K81A and Nabu is likely to have the model number K82. But that's not where it ends. The model K81 and K81A tablets are expected to feature chipset built on Qualcomm's SM8250 platform. It can be a Snapdragon 865, 865 Plus or 870 chip. So these two tablets will be using somewhat newer processor than K82 variant, but not the latest one. In addition, it looks like just model K81 will offer LTE and 5G cellular connectivity. The K82 model could feature Qualcomm's SM8150 platform, under which a Snapdragon 855, 855 Plus or 860 processor can be hidden. Even this is a flagship chipset, but older one, so technically all tablets are premium but with older chip, and only K81 will get 5G support. Coming to key specifications, all 3 models are tipped to have an IPS LCD display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 2560 by 1600 pixel resolution. Moreover, model K82 is likely to have a 10.97-inch display with 236mm by 148mm dimensions. It could also equip a 3720 mAh dual cell battery with option for wireless charging. The 3 tablets are expected to come with quad rear cameras with 12MP main lens, and it will also offer NFC. And that's it for today. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.